Going on, hazardous people? My name is the Dukes Hazard, and we're back today to another video car show with friends. And as you can see, there's Cool Guy and Geode once again. One of my
what's up?
Yes, there's Cool Guy. You can now hear him now. Thanks for his advice.
Bro, what's up, everybody? Again?
Yes, as you all know, the world's famous YouTuber Cool Guy 291. How many subscribers do you have, Cool Guy?
270 subscribers, man.
Wow.
If anybody wants to subscribe me, thank you so much. Now, this car here is one of my cars I did a YouTube video on. It's pretty good, but this time I did new wheels on her. She's beautiful, though. She's one tough customer, tell you what. If anybody wants to check out my channel, I'm Cool Guy 291. Anybody wants to comment down below, see what my videos, any fans are out there, but me, please leave a comment. Thank you so much.
And that is Cool Guy for you. Claps, claps, balloons, and sparkles. And here we go, Geode, on Cool Guy. Thank you for the nice car show that you put on the couple less videos. You should go check them out because those are very good videos. And here's Geode, the gangster.
Yeah, here.
Good talk. And this is Geode's. Alright, Cool Guy, help me out here. What type of car is this?
Dodge Viper.
Dodge Viper.
Dodge Viper.
There we go. That's what I was looking for. And look at this. Yeah.
Yeah.
The rear end of that car, awesome. Okay. And then, oh, I'm gonna, look at that interior, guys. That is awesome for a Ford Viper. Sorry. Joe, do you have anything to say to the YouTubers?
No.
Okay. Okay. And here's my, hang on. Let's in the comments, does that not look like the real Christine? Bright headlights, doors open. Now that is awesome. And here is my car. Help me out here, Cool Guy. What is this?
This is the same for turbo. Sometimes they say it's a Buick Grand Sport or Roosevelt Cutlass.
Oh, wow. And then I see that I put some, oh, let me see if I drag race tires on there. And this car is supposed to be the contribute car for the Fast and Furious. I don't know if it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. So just listen in the comments of which one. Who started to talk? Oh, Cool Guy started to talk. Okay.
Yeah. But everybody who subscribed to Duke, please subscribe to me and Duke. And over there, even the going to be videos yet. So we're trying to get them into it, right, Gio? Yeah. I'm trying to get them into there.
And there's Cool Guy. Wait, Cool Guy, come here. Come here. I want to see you. Too close. Okay. And there you go, guys. There's Cool Guy with that awesome mask. He's like Slenderman's brother. And there's there's Geode in his car. He took off like he's bad to the bone. Down. Okay. Well, that's it for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. And I'm gonna put a link in the description for what? What, Cool Guy? Hey, Cool Guy, say something. What was you saying, Cool Guy? It's like a scene, just like a serious scene right now. Cool Guy, what was you saying? Alright, there you go. There's Cool Guy. Alright, so I'm gonna end this video here. Like, subscribe, and comment, and subscribe to CoolGuy291 and Geode. See his name right there? Oh, well, you could pause it right where his name was. So, like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll put a link in this, probably link, well, I don't know how to link in the description, but can y'all listen to the comments how to for me? And stay hazardous, be dangerous. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!